Arrest orders were issued against him. Even after giving 5 chances to the husband to come and lead evidence, he did not come.
Why you did not appear?
My lord, he was not in a fit condition, fit mental condition, and he was not in the city as well.
वो तो योगा से फिट हो सकते हैं. ये 12 लाख कहाँ से अर्न कर रहे हैं अगर मेंटली नहीं फिट है? कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह लगाए हैं?
My lord, that has come up in the proceedings, my lord.
For enhancement of the maintenance that has been granted to the wife. 3rd of November, final maintenance orders have been passed. Around 15 lakhs 5,000 that is pending.
ये क्या करते हैं क्या?
He's a software engineer.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Also, defects have been cured in this.
Yes.
Defects have been cured. It's a revision. We are seeking indulgence of this honorable court for enhancement of the maintenance that has been granted by the family court.
कब डिफॉल्ट दूर किया?
जी, it's been 10 days, Lordship.
20.
Last week कर दिया था defects cure.
Opinion item number 119.1. Initially, that case was filed first, my lord, against the final maintenance award by the family court. My lord, we have only one primary contention, though the defects and other things are there, my lord. But our
119 is filed by wife.
Yes, my lord, and 119.1 is filed by the husband. Our, my lord, right now, the threshold, our sole ground is that before the family court, the statements of the husband was not recorded. So, to only, my lord, if my lord may be kind enough to remand the matter back and the statements may kindly be recorded so that all the, my lord, it could be placed on record, such as whatever we have filed in the reply that regarding the income.
Your revision is for
enhancement of the maintenance that has been granted to the wife. Lordship, 3rd of November, final maintenance orders have been passed, and from last 6 months he has not paid even one installment or the remaining amount. It's around 15 lakhs 5,000 that is pending. Arrest orders were issued against him. He comes to the court, he gives the statement, he promises that on the next date he will pay.
Just let us see the order.
Please, Your Lordship.
Lordship, it's page number 9, my lord, in item number 119.1.
Just wait, we are hearing 119.
119, please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, it's annexure P3, page number 19 to page number 30.
Yes.
It's the order of the family court. Lordship, the family court has categorically recorded it that even after giving 5 chances to the husband to come and lead evidence, he did not come. Then the family court ordered ex parte proceedings, against which they came to the High Court and promised in the High Court that they'll appear before the family court. But Lordship, even after promise in the High Court, they did not appear. This has been recorded in the order of the 3rd November. That is the maintenance order. This page. This is annexure P3. It's para 31 of the order, Lordship.
Yes.
The next page, page 10 of the order. माननीय उच्च न्यायालय मध्य प्रदेश खंडपीठ इंदौर के समक्ष प्रस्तुत MCRC क्रमांक 1830 ऑफ 2020 में पारित आदेश दिनांक 16 जनवरी 2020, जिसकी प्रमाणित प्रति माननीय उच्च न्यायालय से कुटुंब न्यायालय धार पर प्राप्त हुई थी.
इनकम का क्या आपने?
Lordship, he has filed his ITRs and returns, and he has filed his affidavit by which his income has been estimated to be like 12,74,000.
Oh, so that is the finding. Where is the discussion?
Discussion in the judgment about
yes.
Okay. Lordship, here
it's
para 37. It's para 37. It's para 37. अतः उपरोक्त संपूर्ण विश्लेषण के आधार पर para 37 of the
ये तो फाइंडिंग है ना
जी
कि वार्षिक आय, इसका बेस क्या है? ये क्या करते हैं क्या?
Lordship, he's a software engineer and that has been
कहाँ
discussed.
वही तो डिस्कशन कहाँ है?
एक
That particular discussion is not there because the statements were not recorded. So the entire expenses of the husband,
Just a minute.
Lordship, it has been recorded that he has filed his
the only aspect is
ITRs.
based on the affidavit, and that
Yes,
is
at one time, let her argue.
Lordship, para 18 of the judgment, ये कि आवेदिका रिंकी ने अपने मुख्य परीक्षण में ये बताया कि अनावेदिक सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर है, उसे 1.5 लाख रुपए प्रतिमाह वेतन मिलता है। इस प्रकरण में अनावेदक को साक्ष्य हेतु 5 अवसर दिए जाने के बाद भी अनावेदक साक्ष्य हेतु उपस्थित नहीं हुआ है, किंतु पूर्व में न्यायालय के आदेश अनुसार अनावेदक द्वारा अपनी आय, संपत्ति एवं दायित्वों के संबंध में शपथ पत्रीय जानकारी प्रस्तुत की गई है और इस शपथ पत्रीय जानकारी के साथ अनावेदक द्वारा कर निर्धारण वर्ष 2021-2022 से संबंधित स्वयं का फॉर्म नंबर 16 प्रस्तुत किया गया है, जिसके अनुसार आवेदक का वार्षिक वेतन 12,74,097 रुपीस होना
है
उल्लेखित
तो
है।
है, आपने खुद ही का है।
हाँ सर, उस पे ये that is what a submission is. The affidavit has been placed by us as per the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court. Now our at the threshold our only submission is कि जो हमारे अगर statement record हो जाते हैं तो उसमें if my lord may be kind enough to peruse, we have हमने reply में ये भी बोला है कि that the non-applicant wife is also educated and she has some bachelor's degree in
Why
computer
you
science.
did not appear before the trial court?
My lord, at that point of time we were not there in Indore, and we initially were at Japan when we were doing our jobs, and then we shifted to Pune, then to
No,
Indore.
even before the magistrate you did not appear.
No, my lord.
Yes, Lord.
We did not appear for some occasions, for maybe 2 or 3 occasions, my lord. But that is what our contention is. हमने उसके बाद में maintenance भी पूरा नहीं pay किया, but we are in date of application से maintenance order कर दिया. So now 35,000 is more than 35% of what our actual income is. तो उसमें से ना expenses देखे गए हैं, ना उसमें जो already non applicant भी उसमें admitted fact है इनके statements में
You
that
are
she
not
was.
answering to the query of the court.
My lord.
Why you did not participate in the proceeding?
My lord, at that time the COVID was there, and that was the reason the applicant could not appear over there, and he was not in the mental condition to appear
Before
over
the
there.
magistrate also and before the revisional court.
No, my lord, that was for the before the family court only, my lord.
Hmm?
Before the family court only, the statements were not recorded.
Order is by the family court.
My lord, the the family court judge is only there.
भाई
वहीं पे
नोटिस
statements record होने थे, उसके अलावा और कहीं
नोटिस सर्व नहीं हुआ आपको, क्या नहीं हुआ? Why you did not appear?
My lord, he was not in a fit mental condition, and he was not in the city as well. So that's why he could not appear to depose before
Fit condition मतलब he was mentally not well.
My lord, mentally
कुछ
not well.
कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स वगैरह लगाए हैं क्या?
My lord, that has come up in the proceedings, my lord. नीचे हमने application move करी थी, but then that application was not considered. तो आज हम ready हैं वहाँ पे हमारे
तो
statements देने के लिए.
जॉब ये 12 लाख कहाँ से अर्न कर रहे हैं अगर मेंटली नहीं फिट है?
My lord, right now after the COVID he was not mentally fit, and that is the sole reason he could not depose before the trial court, family court.
Mentally retarded is something different.
Mentally retarded is something
So many
different.
persons are not mentally fit. वो तो योगा से फिट हो सकते हैं. Otherwise, that is a different thing. But what is the explanation? Court has written, and on your basis, on your document, assessment is there.
And Lordship, they
My
came
lord,
to
if,
the High Court,
this is
Honorable High Court against the ex parte orders that were passed, that the proceedings will go ex parte. They came here on 29th of January 2020. They promised before the High Court that we'll appear in the family court proceedings. And
Despite that, he did
despite
not.
that, they did not come.
Have
And now
you
they are not
filed-
even paying the maintenance, Your Lordship.
Have you filed copy of the order?
Lordship, I have filed this judgment which records this fact.
My lord, may I just
This,
read the relevant
this
portion उसमें
para
बताइए.
10 of the Lordship, the highlighted portion, it's para 10 of the judgment that was passed on 3rd of November, that despite giving 5 chances, he did not come. Then they went to the High Court against ex parte orders, promised to the High Court that they'll come. Again, they did not come. That is January 2020, Your Lordship. And then 3rd November 2022, the orders have been passed for maintenance.
This is the order sheet, my lord, before the family court wherein we had recorded our reasons. अगर मैं पढ़ देता हूँ इसे.
क्या चीज?
ये सर 19/10/22 का है जहाँ पे हमारे लॉयर के थ्रू हम वहाँ पे अपियर हुए थे एंड द रीजन वाज रिकॉर्डेड इन द फैमिली कोर्ट ऑर्डर. इसमें लिखा है अनावेदक के अधिवक्ता द्वारा इस आशय का आवेदन प्रस्तुत किया है कि अनावेदक की मानसिक स्थिति और स्वास्थ्य कोरोना के कारण लगातार खराब चल रहा है. पूर्व में अनावेदक और उसके पिता के साथ कोर्ट परिसर में आवेदिका पक्ष की ओर से हमले की स्थिति बनी थी और तब से वह धार नहीं आ सका और इसी कारण वह आज भी साक्ष्य हेतु धार नहीं जा सका है. अतः अनावेदक की साक्ष्य कमीशन के माध्यम से लेखबद्ध कराए जाने का निवेदन है जिसका व्यय अनावेदक वहन करने के लिए तैयार है. मतलब दिस इज द रीजन वी हैव रिकॉर्डेड एंड उसके लिए एग्जैक्ट रीजन दिया है.
Absolutely false statement. The incidents that they are citing, Lordship, it was vice versa. They were clicking videos and photos of the applicant, and what happened, Your Lordship? The police had to come to save the applicant, and they are saying they were mentally harassed. Lordship, it's absolutely opposite. They're giving false statement in the court.
You have come for enhancement.
I've come for the enhancement.
And you have come for setting aside this order.
No, no, our only contention is that these statements may kindly be recorded before the family court. We are not praying that the maintenance may be reduced or anything else. But our only contention is...
We will give you opportunity.
My lord.
Subject to first you deposit the entire areas.
Please, Your Lordship.
And pay the monthly current whatever maintenance.
My lord, if this judgment was passed on, my lord,
By
3/11/2020.
directing for the entire retrial, everything, we will give you opportunity. Subject, you are not paying the maintenance.
My lord, I have paid the installments. That is not the case that I have not paid a single installment. But right now on 3/11/2022.
According to you,
Lordship, it's been thrice we
have you deposited the?
एक 20 पहले एटीएम का डिपॉजिट किया 50,000 भी लास्ट डेट पे पेमेंट किया हमने 26.
मतलब in total we have deposited 1,70,000. Around that amount we have deposited.
नहीं ये 16/4/2019 से 35,000 के हिसाब से कितना होता है?
सर वो
16
उतनी
lakh.
डिफिकल्टी है.
16 lakh 10,000 it comes up to.
16 lakhs.
16 lakh 10,000.
10,000.
16 lakh 60 and 5,000 litigation
That is
charges.
the sole
16 lakh
difficulty
50.
because on 3/11/2022 the orders have been passed since the filing of the application. Though that is right as per the guidelines of Supreme Court, but our only condition is that our only problem is that we need some time to arrange a huge amount because this was not the case of 35,000 रुपए वो कर दिया गया है जो कि इनकम से 35% से ऊपर है. वो भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी कहती that it should be little on a expenses भी देखे जाने चाहिए, थोड़ा बहुत वो भी देखे जाने चाहिए. So our contention is that
You did not contest.
In that some relaxation may kindly be given कि इतना amount हम थोड़ा सा भी
Deposit 50%. We are giving you another. Deposit 50%. The case you will be given opportunity subject to deposit of 50% of the areas, and your client is sitting.
No, my lord.
You are looking behind as if your client is sitting.
My lord, we'll take the instructions and my lord, we'll after another 5-10 minutes we'll inform the leader of the court.
We will dispose of both the petitions.
My lord, we
We
are
will
ready
say
to
that the
take,
court will give you opportunity
my lord.
for examination of witnesses, subject to you deposit 50% of the areas and to pay monthly. You did not contest. Inform,
My lord, my lord.
just contact your client.
My lord.
Please, Your Lordship.
Okay.
दोनों एक साथ रखें.